Hello children, today I'll make rocket in front of you. For that you just need Fevicol, thread, sellotape, rubber band, one balloon, one cutout of a rocket which I have already made. See? Then you need a straw and a stiff straw as well. Now first of all, paste this stiff straw inside this rocket in the center with the help of glue. See, I have fixed the straw with the help of glue and with sellotape as well. Now take this thread and pass through the straw. Now after passing this thread, fix this another straw here somewhere near the end, again with the help of glue or tape. Now cover it by sticking these two sides again with the help of glue. Now after this, fix balloon on this side of the straw with the help of rubber band. Now the setup is ready. Tie these two ends of the thread somewhere in your room. Blow from this side and then release. So let's just try this thread somewhere. Now see, I've fixed these end of threads and inflated balloon from this side. And now let's see what happens. Trying it again. See, this is moving because air is moving out from this side and pushes the rocket onto the forward side. So this is basically an example of a Newton's third law of motion here, which you can try at your home today.